Welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving coordinate geometry questions. Let's start. The fourth vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD, whose three vertices are A minus 2 comma 3, B 6 comma 7, and C 8 comma 3. We have to find out the fourth quadrant. So let me draw this parallelogram first. And let us take D coordinate as x comma y. So in a parallelogram, we know one property that diagonal bisect each other. Okay, what we know? Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So if you see here, this is my diagonal AC and BD. They bisect each other, means this one equal to this one, this length equal to this length. Means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So what is the midpoint of AC? Minus 2 plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 3 by 2 equal to x plus 6 by 2 comma y plus 7 by 2. So this part, what will get here? 6 by 2. Okay, I'll write down here 6 by 2 comma 6 by 2 equal to x plus 6 by 2 comma y plus 7 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So if you equate this coordinates, what will get here? First let me equate the x coordinate. X plus 6 by 2 equal to 3, which implies, okay, x plus 6 equal to 3 into 2. This value is nothing but what? 6. So what will you get here? X plus 6 equal to 6. X value equal to what? 6 minus 6, that is 0. X coordinate is 0. Now we'll see for y coordinate. So y plus 7 by 2 equal to 3. Y plus 7 equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So y equal to 6 minus 7. Y equal to minus 1. So the d coordinates are x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 1. Is this clear? Next question. The three vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, let me draw again parallelogram. Say you can take any order. Okay, sorry, you can take anything as A, but you have to follow the pattern. Okay, order you have to follow. If I'm taking this as my A, you can take this as A, you can take this as A, you wish. Okay, minus 1, minus 2. B coordinates are 4, minus 1. C coordinates are what? 6 comma 3. D coordinates we are supposed to find out. Okay, so same thing, what we know, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. That means what we can write, midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. This one don't forget. If you want to solve problems related to parallelogram, of finding the coordinate. You have to remember this property, diagonal bisect each other. So minus 1 plus 6 by 2 AC rate, comma, minus 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to x plus 4 by 2. See what I'm doing? I am finding out the midpoints of BD, comma, y, okay, minus 1 by 2. So this one what we get here? Minus 1 plus 6, 5 by 2 will get. Here what will get here? 1 by 2 will get, equal to x plus 4, okay, by 2, comma, minus y minus 1 by 2. If I equate the coordinates, what I'll get here? 5, okay, let me write down here. X plus 4 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. If I take this 2 to that side, what happens? 5 by 2. Here it is in division, right? If I take that side, multiplication, right? 2 gets cancelled. X plus 4 equal to 5. X equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. I got x coordinate, right? Now I have to find out y coordinate. So y minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, it is in division, right? If I take that side, it becomes multiplication, right? 2 ones are 2 ones are. So y minus 1 equal to 1. Y equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I got y quadrant as what? 2. So my D quadrant, okay, D quadrant values are 1, comma 2. Next. Here they gave what? Rectangle. So let me write down here. Okay. A, okay, the invention I think. Okay. A, I don't know. X comma y. B, 0 comma 0. C, 3 comma 0. D, 0 comma 4. Okay. So again here also, what we know, what is the property of a rectangle? We know diagonal bisect each other. Here also diagonal bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. That means what we know here, midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. Same thing here. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Okay. So what I'll get here, midpoint of x plus 3 by 2, y plus 0 by 2 equal to 0 plus 0 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2, comma, y by 2 equal to 0, 4 by 2 you get 2. Now if I equate it, x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0, which implies x plus 3 equal to 0 minus 2. If I get, sorry, 0 into 2, what will get here? 0 I will get. So x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3 will get. Y by 2 equal to 2, y equal to what you get? 2 into 2 will get what? 4. Y equal to 4 will get. If you take it in order, but okay, but instead, because here the invention we have to take it in order. Instead, if we use the coordinate system, what happens? We'll see. Okay, 0 comma 0, right? X-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 y-axis 2 minus 3 minus 4 my okay sorry plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 y-axis, right? Now if you see here coordinate, it is in not order. Okay, here it is b coordinate 0 comma 0 this side, right? This is my b, and 3 comma 0 which is x-axis, right? So it is my c. This is my b, this is my c. D is what? 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 means what? Y-axis. This is my D. If you see here, if you extend this line, okay, if you draw a parallel line, okay, along this and along this, where it is intersecting at what? 3 comma 4. Okay, 3 comma 4. So here my A quadrant will become what? 3 comma 4. Here what we are getting here? Minus 3. If I take it in order, I'll get what? Minus 3 comma 4. If they mention we have to take it in order, you can do this one. If they didn't mention, only, okay, if they give you this question, okay, do this one. Is this clear? If the points or the vertices of a parallelogram, again same thing. A equal to 6 comma 1, B equal to 8 comma 2, C equal to 9 comma 4, and D equal to B comma 3. Here they mentioned in order. Wherever they mentioned in order, we'll take it in that order. If they didn't mention, then use the coordinate system, you'll get the points. Okay, so same thing. What we know the property? Diagonal. Okay, diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. Bisect each other. So diagonal bisect each other means what? Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. So what is the midpoint of AC? 6 plus 9 by 2 comma 1 plus 4 by 2 equal to P plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 2 by 2. So this I'll get it as what? 15 by 2 comma 5 by 2 equal to 15 by 8 by 2. Here what is 5 by 2. So only x coordinate I will compare with. Okay, I will equate with what? X coordinate. P plus 8 by 2 equal to 15 by 2. Directly if you want to cancel, you can cancel it. Or you take this, it is in denominator, right? Take to the other side of the equation. Okay, it becomes numerator. So P plus 8 equal to 15. P equal to 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So what is the value of P? P value is what? 7. So whenever you come across the coordinate geometry chapter where they are asking one of the coordinate or one of the value, remember this property. Very, very important. What is that? Diagonal bisect each other. From that, okay, what we know, if diagonal bisect each other means what we know? Midpoint, okay, midpoint of diagonals. Midpoint of the diagonals are equal. If you use this, you can find out the missing quadrant. Thank you and all the best.